1 second.
You are going to do maths?
If you like.
Okay.
One second. Okay, there you go. First, research or gather the data on the number of COVID-19 cases in 5 countries of your choice.
First of all, you choose 5 countries
Okay. List
of countries. Choose the first 5.
How many countries are there?
About 196.
Hey, let me first see all of these. The list just keeps going and going. Here, we're at the countries. What 5 countries are we gonna pick?
Okay, so pick any 5. I suggest choose first 5.
The first 5, the United States, China, Japan, Germany, India,
Good.
and France.
France is 6.
Okay. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah. Isn't China and Japan the same thing?
No.
No.
China and Japan
The
are different
5
countries.
countries I have chosen are United States. I feel like I should put this a little down. There we go. The United States, China, Japan, Germany, and last but not least, India. India.
We have to research or gather the data, right?
Yes.
In 5 countries of your choice. So,
Yes.
just copy this question, starting from the data. Data on number of COVID cases till here. Copy.
Copy.
Go to the Google. This is the secondary type of data we are looking for, right?
Yes. Oh my god.
Because it's already given in the
Paste.
internet. In United States.
Oh my god. Okay, so this is how much confirmed, this is how much deaths, and this is how much recovered.
Yes. These are the states. Yes.
United States cases. There. That's all we need to know. Copy. Go here. Where do I put it?
Press enter. Paste.
Paste.
So delete this plus thing.
Delete. Okay, I need to go. Delete. Oh my god, this is just ugly. United States down. This is ugly.
Bring it a little up. Give a little space. Okay, come before confirmed.
Okay.
And backspace. A little space. One more backspace so that it may come up in the up. Yes, here. Okay, one more backspace.
No, that's fine.
No. One more backspace. And now use the tab button 2 times.
1, 2.
Okay, that's fine. Now do the same thing with this one.
Backspace, backspace, backspace. 1, 2.
Okay, so
Done.
highlight the whole text of United States cases.
Okay.
Choose the font 14, bold and unbold.
Bold.
Highlight United States cases and bold it.
Bold.
Good. Bold confirm. Yes.
Bold won't work with this kind of ink.
This text have got some different color, no? Go to the color. Yes, choose black. Wow, that's fine. Do the same thing with the next.
I don't know why I
Okay.
didn't think about this before.
Oh, where is D?
There you go. All done.
Okay. Now do the same thing for your next country, China. Wow. You know the drill. You do this thing. Okay.
Okay. Copy. Paste. Okay. I know what to do. This ugly thing is back, so I'm just gonna erase that. I don't know why it always comes back. We're gonna highlight, we're gonna make this bold. There we go. Now we're gonna delete this. Backspace. Space. Backspace. Do it for everything. Backspace. Backspace. One, two. Two. There. $14. Confirmed. Tax and recovered. Japan. Japan. I'm not asking for the information. I'm asking about something else.
I have an idea. Let's choose other country.
Okay. I'm gonna have to open a new tab.
Good.
List of countries. France. No. Yeah, France. France is good. France will take the place.
Okay, write it down.
France. Now, we're gonna have to do France. There we go.
This is the data we are looking for, right?
Yes, we're not looking for information.
Okay.
I know what to do. I don't need any help or anything.
Okay. Do it yourself.
To do.
You to do it yourself.
Okay. So I first need a bold. Wait, no, that's not the first thing. First, I need to erase these ugly pluses.
You know what these pluses are?
No,
Let me
and
tell
I
you.
don't need them.
You don't want to know about them, or you don't want.
I don't want them.
You don't want them. Okay. So let's talk about its information. This is the plus thing is the data for the current day, I guess.
No, that's
Yes, I
not
guess.
right.
I guess so. No space. Use the tab.
There,
Okay,
that
okay,
much tab.
okay, okay, okay. Where is
I
this
took
D gone?
too much space. Okay,
Back. One more backspace.
one. There we go.
Okay,
No,
now highlight
there we
the.
go.
Okay, highlight.
I know
Oh,
what to do.
oh,
I
oh,
know
okay,
what
okay,
to
okay,
do.
okay, okay, okay.
There we go. And first I have to make this thing turn to 4. No, I don't want it like this.
Don't worry.
14. Now make it different color. Make it bold. Different color. Bold. And last but not least, this one. Different color. And it needs to be bold. What happened to this D? It needs to be different color and it needs to be bold. There we go.
Good. What's your next country?
My next country is Germany.
Okay. Search the data for Germany.
I'm gonna search it up. Is Germany. Hopefully
In
it's this.
Germany.
Wow, this ugly update came.
Copy, copy.
Paste! And it went to the next page, which will be okay because I can fix it. This ugly thing needs to go away first. And also this. And now that COVID-19 came, my teacher's giving work about COVID-19. Very surprising. Okay. Now, wait, why is it all that? Wait, what? A little down. First, I need to make everything not in an ugly color. There, everything's 14.
And
Now,
ink.
I need to bold it. I know what to do. My volume's that loud that
Okay. Just do it. You are doing it well, right.
I don't need any interruptions. No, I don't have to make that bold. Okay. Now I'm going to take this. One, two.
Okay.
There.
Yes.
See, I told you I can fix it.
But there is one thing missing. Come to
What?
the Germany cases.
Yes.
Click on it.
Wait, is it small?
Yes.
It's
see?
small.
Yes.
I was wondering what happened. Wait, why is it still small?
Okay, now it's fine.
Oh, it's fine.
Just bring it a little up.
A little up.
Oh, no.
No, that's too up.
No, not that much. Okay.
The last, I bet it's the last and final country, India.
Okay, let's see what we have got.
Okay, hopefully India is not like Japan.
Let's see.
Oh, shoot! India's in trouble?
Every country is in trouble, in fact, you know? Yes.
Hold up.
Okay.
I can fix that.
Okay.
First step, I need to delete the ugly stuff. The second step is I need to make everything 14. Now I have to make now I have to make this black, bold. Oops, forgot this little guy.
Ink.
Okay, now ink.
Maheen, only I am looking at this, or even you are noticing there is one line in a gray shade, one in white.
One line in a gray shape, one is white. I can fix that. I've noticed that ever since I started this.
Okay.
It's gonna go away eventually.
Okay.
The first, wow, see, look at the first question can fit in one whole page.
Yes.
The next question is list the countries and the number of cases in that country. List the countries. It was supposed to say countries, but they said counties. And the number of cases in that country.
Okay, this is a typo. They just forget the letter R.
Yep.
Okay, so we already did this, right?
List the countries and the number of cases in that. I think, yeah, we did it. I think.
We did it. Highlight question number 2. Copy. Come to the work. Yes, come up. Okay, after question 1,
Mm-hmm.
yes, press enter. Now paste. Fix it.
You want me to bring it up? Oh. No, I don't want to undo it.
Okay. Okay. So highlight question 1 and 2 and make it bold. Okay. Bold. After United States and bring China up and separate these two countries with a comma. Give a little space. Good.
Okay.
Do it the same for France and for Germany. One little space. Good. No comma. Right and. Good. So this is how we are doing this. So this is the answer for question 1 and 2 both. Got it?
Mm-hmm.